Hey everyone, welcome to Just Another Brick Life. And here we have what we're calling our Minifig Killer. So it looks like it's just some sort of random Lego vehicle, but my partner here is going to demonstrate the killing mechanism. A fidget spinner. And this area here that looks like a little trench is where we set the filming device so that we have a great view of the mayhem that will ensue. Behold. So in our first run, we're going to be plowing through 2 rows of Lego minifigures, and there's 13 guys in each row. So we're on this Lego table right here, and let's just see who we have here. So we have the Joker, a Foot Soldier, Steve, the Blue Ninja, Zombie, Scratchy, Leonardo, a few more Minecraft minifigs. There's Batman, Rocket Boy, some more Minecraft. There's Raphael, and little Space Child and Robin, both with short legs at the end. So there's the Gauntlet right there. Now we'll bring over the Minifig Killer. Setting it up. Okay. Alright, start going slowly. Let's see how many we can get rid of. Okay, that was alright. On our next one, we'll try to spin it harder. We've placed the Minifig Killer onto this Lego table, and we've placed 16 minifigs all ready to kiss that beautiful fidget spinner, and we'll see if it's able to knock out all 16 of these fellas. Is Alex a guy or a girl?
A girl.
These fellas and this gal right there. Alright, so I'll place the camera into its holder and just fix the focus. Alright, let's go. Okay, wait. Has to be more, try it more harder than that. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Nice.
No pushing.
Okay.
Pushing in there.
Interesting. So if we saw what happened, the first 2 got knocked off, but then towards the end it was just pushing them. So from a bird's eye view, we'll try to put the fidget spinner at the very edge on the next run. Okay, so we have 13 this time. Let's see if we can get them all. Alright. Nice. Oh! The minifigs win! So some of them got knocked off, but some of them just fell into the other ones. And then towards the end, I guess when the fidget spinner was losing its momentum, it just got dislodged from the minifig killing machine. Alright, let's try a different trial next. Alright everybody, we're back. We've decided to switch this double-sided fidget spinner with one that has 3, the standard type. I think that's going to give us more success. So give me a second or two to put the camera in. Alright, it's in. Spin. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh!
It's like dominoes.
Ah, it just went like dominoes this time. Oh, that is a beautiful design though. Nice, so we kind of got them all, but I think on our next run we're gonna put less minifigures to get rid of that domino effect. So we can see the pure devastation sided fidget spinner. Okay everybody, we're back. Now we have a line of 10 minifigs. We decreased it to prevent the domino effect from happening. So let's set up the 3-sided or the 3-armed fidget spinner. Alright, give it a good spin. And let's go. Okay. We're gonna try to decrease it even more this time. Okay, this time we're keeping it simple, and there are just 5 minifigs up there. So give it a super spin. Let's go. Yeah, we got them all.
Yeah.
Turn and stuff though, but that's
Me
alright.
turn. Ready? We're back.
So what's going on this time? What's different from the last one?
There's 2 lines,
2 lines, 2 rows.
2 rows, and it's gonna look like a boulder.
No, we put 2 lines because we don't want the minifigs to fall right in front of the fidget spinner. So we'll see if this looks better than what we've previously been doing. So let's give it a spin. Oh, okay. Start going forward slowly. Oh, nice. Oh! You weren't supposed to do that little burst at the end, but that looked pretty cool, right?
Yes,
But there's one guy who remains standing, and that is the Dracula. He's a champ, so he doesn't have to go on the next one. He earned his freedom.
Hi, buddy. We're back. It's a little bit different. It looks like bowling now. Let's give it a spin.
Oops, hold on. Raphael just fell down.
Okay.
Set Raphael back up.
Hey! Look at that.
Alright, wait. Hold on.
Now let's.
Okay, give it a spin. And let's do it up bowling style. Alright, so the guys on the edge
One more.
survive.
Thief. Minifigure.
Alright, so we've turned the surface upside down to show the studs up to give the minifigs a bit more of a chance. Their legs, their feet are clutched onto the studs, so we'll see how strong and how long they can last on this surface. So prep the fidget spinner onto the Minifig Killer, and let's see. Oh, I forgot to put the camera in, so stop that for a second. Okay, and now give it a spin. Oh!
Didn't have a chance.
It did not have a chance. We actually switched to a slightly weaker fidget spinner because some kids came around and snatched the other one. So we will, I guess, pull up the figs a bit because they're obviously winning in this scenario. We're not going to let them fully be attached, and we'll be back in a
Jiffy.
jiffy. Okay, we're back. There are 18 minifigs in a row. I'll just do a quick bird's eye view. 18 of these little fellas and gals. They're not completely stuck onto the Lego studs, so put on the fidget spinner. Now let's do it. Oh! So we only got through 4. I guess in this scenario, in minifig versus fidget spinner, the minifigs win.
Yay!
So if you want to see a different challenge when we pit minifigs against the fidget spinners, check out my previous video. And until then, spin on, my friends.